Since I was 18, really, I just noticed mustache and a little bit down here would grow, but not the sides. I wasn't satisfied with myself or how I looked. It's not how I wanted to look. I wanted to look rough. I wanted to look older than what I am. And so I searched beard transplant, and it turns out it was a thing.
A beard transplant is similar to a hair transplant in that we do harvest the grafts from the back of the head, the donor area, just as we do for a top of the head hair transplant. Raul is a Hispanic male in his early 30s who had patchy areas of growth. And he just wanted to have a nice, even flow. So we were able to do about 1,500 hair grafts to the facial area.
When Leslie told me it's possible you could have a full beard, it's just an excitement that I can't even express. She went through everything, the schedule, the doctor, everything that she mentioned. It was right on point.
So with Raul, you'll see with this picture here, we kind of drew in the area that he was trying to fill in. And then from that, we can determine how many square centimeters we're trying to fill in. That gives us a formula for how many grafts we're going to need to fill in that area. It's actually very precise.
I'm really happy, and I know it still takes a little bit more time and more will fill in.
He does have some areas that are a bit patchy that we're going to go back in with a second procedure and fill in to really give him that density that his end result is going to be. That's what he's striving for. So what we're going to do with Raul his second time around is we're just going to fill in the areas that maybe the hair didn't grow as well as he had hoped. And just bring that density up to a thicker, fuller beard for him.
They say it takes about from 1 year to a year and a half to fully grow. So I just want to fill it out more. I was going to do it because it's something that I wanted, and well worth it for me. It's just how I feel inside. Maybe people don't notice it, but it's the way that how I feel, and I love how I feel now.